Hello everybody, welcome to Rajalakshmi's Concept Clear classes. Today in this video we will start a new topic, that is photosynthesis. For the maintenance of life on the earth, we require a continuous supply of energy. This energy comes directly or indirectly from sun, called as solar energy or radiant energy. So this solar energy or radiant energy is the ultimate source of energy for life on the earth. In nature, only the green cells of the plant have the capability to absorb or to capture the radiant energy of the sun. These green cells convert the solar energy into chemical energy in the form of food or carbohydrate by a process known as photosynthesis. So, as the plants prepare their own food or own carbohydrate, they are called as autotrophs. And their nutrition is called autotrophic nutrition. All other non-green plants and animals, including human, are heterotrophs, as they cannot synthesize their own food. They depend upon the plants for their food. So they are known as heterotrophs. So, the photosynthesis is the means for autotrophic nutrition. We know that the synthesis of organic food, that is carbohydrate, from the inorganic material is one of the important characteristics of green plants. They absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and water from soil, and store them inside the cell. The green cells contain a pigment known as chlorophyll, which is capable to absorb solar energy or sun energy. Which supplies the energy for the reaction between carbon dioxide and water to produce carbohydrate. This is called as photosynthesis. So, photosynthesis can be defined as the synthesis of carbohydrates by green plants from carbon dioxide and water with the help of chlorophyll molecule in presence of sunlight as the source of energy. The process of photosynthesis can be expressed by a simple reaction, that is 6 molecules of carbon dioxide plus 6 molecules of water. Here is the sunlight and chlorophyll molecule. Then the product is glucose and oxygen is liberated in the reaction. So, in photosynthesis, glucose is formed from which other compounds are formed, and all the organisms depend upon this food for their survival. And we see carbon dioxide is used in the photosynthesis and oxygen is released, and this oxygen is utilized for respiration of animals including human beings. So, photosynthesis is a very important process for maintenance of life on the earth. If you have any doubt regarding this, you may ask in the comment section. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.